Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a Google form quiz with timer. So if you have made, a quiz on Google form and now you need to put a timer on it in order for, the people who are completing the quiz to do it on time, just follow the steps mentioned in this video and by the end of it you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on these three dots right here, and then you need to click on get add-ons, sorry. And here, when you reach here on this add-ons marketplace, you can type timer for Google Forms, and here you can get a form timer. Okay, this seems good. We can click on install. Okay, so I've signed in, and now this will start to install. So let's just wait for this to finish installing it. Okay, I guess it has been installed. So let's get back here, and now what do we need to do? We need to click here on add-ons and click here timer for Google Forms and click on open. So here you go, it's open. Let's just wait for this to pop up completely. Okay, so it's going to tell me to sign in, but I've just signed in, and now here I am. So allowed time 30 minutes. That's completely up to you. If you want to just give 30 minutes or 1 hour and 30 minutes or 2 hour and 30 minutes, that's completely up to us. So I'm going to go with that 30 minutes, and I guess we are good to go. The questions are set, and yeah, we're good to go. So you need to click here on copy link, and then we have to send this link to somebody, uh, anybody that you have made this quiz for, and when they will open this link, uh, the quiz will automatically start. So for example, I've opened this link here. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so I have to write my name. So if I write my name, the quiz will start. And here you go. The timer has been started. And now I have to attempt it. Okay, document is not published. So I have to publish it. I'm sorry for not publishing it. Okay, I've published it. And now it will be completely okay for us to use it. And we'll be able to use it without any issue at all. So this is how I do it. Let me just show you one more time. Okay, start. And here you go. The timer has been started, and now I have to give the quiz. And let's just give random answers. Next. Okay, and submit. And okay, here you go. The responses are right here. And these are the responses of the quiz. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.